A block health Mela was held in Rongcheng, Akong village under Rongcheng area, East Garo Hills district, today the 21st of April 2022. Awareness talks on various health programs including TB, nutrition by ICDS were held at the program, and various stalls including Aadhaar, enrollment, MHIS, Poshan Abhiyan, teleconsultation and counseling for adolescent groups were also set up within the area. Speaking at the program, Dr. I.A. Sangma expressed gratitude to everyone involved in the setting up of the Mela, including Dr. L.M. Dangma, District MCH Officer, responsible for leading the team, and to the entire community of the area for their participation.